Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. Right now I'm going to be doing a word party themed chip bag. Um, some of these images will be on my Patreon page, but if you pretty much don't want to, design a chip bag, then I'll have it on my website. The link will be in the description below. But let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the word party seems to have like pastel colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this for the background, but I only want this to go on this one side right here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and use this. What is that? I don't know what that is, but get rid of it. Alright. Format, corrections, and I just want to see what happens if I try to brighten. Nope, that made the colors darker. Corrections. Okay, that made it a little bit brighter. Okay, a little bit brighter. Okay, now for my cover. I already have some images over here. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this. And as you can see, there is a bunch. Wait, let me go back. There is a bunch of images on here, a bunch of smaller ones. That's because this did have words on it, but I already took the words off. Just so the video wouldn't drag out so much. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, I'm going to leave this side over here plain, I think. Let's go ahead and add her to the back. And who else do we want to add over there with her? Now let's flip him the other way. There we go. Now we are able to just scoot him over a little bit. There we go. Now let's put him. And her over here. There we go. Now let's go ahead and go to inserts, go to shapes. Let's do rectangle. Let's go ahead and add a border. Now, depending on if this is a boy or a girl, then you could do it pink, purple, blue, green, whatever color suits. Alright. I'm just going to copy this and paste it again. Put it down here. Stretch it just a little bit further. Okay. Now let's go ahead and let's insert the words happy birthday. Let's see. Word art. Now let's make this like a light purple. Let's see. Let's do like a light purple. Let's go ahead and put an arch. So let's go to format, let's go to change shape, and we're going to go ahead and arch it just like that. I do the words bigger? Let's see. Does this arch it? Let's see. Yes, that does. Okay. I don't like that. Let's do a different color. Okay, that looks a lot better. Okay, I like that. I don't really know too much about word parties, so let's see what they say. Mm, Kim's word party. Okay. Insert. Joining. Let's just make up a name. Let's do that. Think that looks cute. And I have some confetti over here. I'm not sure what it's going to look like, really. Let's see. Let's bring it forward. Hmm. Okay, I guess it adds to the party look. So, all right, it adds to the party look. Let's keep it. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. So this is my now if you are doing this, then you don't want this black line to show right here, so you would just go ahead and erase that off of there before you print. But if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and